Is Fortnite stuck and not downloading updates? Let's fix it fast. First, check your internet connection. Restart your router or switch to a wired internet connection for a more stable download. Next, open the Epic Games launcher, go to Settings, scroll to Fortnite, and make sure Auto Update is turned on. Then clear the download cache by clicking the three dots in the launcher, selecting Settings, and hitting Clear Cache. If it's still stuck, close the launcher completely and run it as administrator. This often fixes permission issues. On Windows 11, also check your storage. Fortnite updates are large, so free up at least 20 gigabytes before retrying. Finally, if the update is still frozen, uninstall and reinstall Fortnite from the Epic Games launcher. Don't worry, your progress is saved to your Epic account. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.